It was a bad idea. We walked 2.5 kilometers out of the way of our house with the baby in the stroller, and like clockwork, he's super hungry. It's a race against the clock to get him home, get him fed before we lose our minds completely.
Before he explodes.
Before he explodes.
So we're going to the gym. Well, it's called Pelvico, and it's like a place where you can get like pelvic floor physio, but they share the space with a training center. It's like a gym basically, and so they have like prenatal and like postpartum classes, and this is one that you can go to that's for like pelvic floor rehab, but then you can also bring your baby. So yeah, we go every Tuesday and Thursday, and he loves it. Yeah. He falls asleep half of the time. So we're heading out. We just did our gym class and then came home, and I pumped and we fed him, and we decided that since it's such a nice day and I have like a mega random craving for apple cider. I mean, it's not that random, it's fall, and that's a very fall thing to want, but I want like a crisp, cold apple cider. I guess I can take these out right now. We're gonna go to a little farm market and see if we can find some. And then we have to go to Home Sense because we need a frying pan and like one piece of fall decor, because all of our fall and Christmas and all of our decorations and everything got lost in the flood. So we have like absolutely nothing to decorate our house, and so we want like a little fall wreath or something like that. So we're gonna see if we can find that. He needs a nap, so I'm hoping that he'll nap. I have like a carrier that I'm bringing, so I'm hoping he'll nap while we're out. He won't be a little fuss. We'll see.
Almost completely surrounded by water, Nova Scotia is famous for beaches of all kinds, earning her nickname Canada's Ocean Playground. This is a bit of a lie, buddy. The beaches suck. There's all beaches, but they all suck.
Really cold water.
Can you feel me?
Yeah. Tonight's soup is going to be a lentil curry. And then some cumin, fennel. Also going to add in my sweet potato, my vegan chicken broth, diced tomatoes, ginger, garam masala, and some curry powder. And then I'm just gonna mash it a little bit to break up the sweet potatoes. Just a little bit, not too much.
kid.
We are having some friends over to watch football. I'm about to learn football, and I made pumpkin chili. So add some cocoa powder to your chili. Trust me, it makes it so good. We've got more apple cider. I just bought apple cider this time. And chips. Greg's making, it's about to go in the oven, his cheesy hummus dip with chimichurri on top. Last night we went to my parents' house for pizza because my cousins were over from New Brunswick, and we had ice cream.
Now we're learning football because of Taylor Swift. Thank you,
Taylor Swift really put football on the map, you know, not a lot of people really knew about football before. So now that Taylor Swift has kind of shown the world football, we're gonna learn about it. Well, Greg already knows about it. He doesn't know everything, but he knows more than I do, that's for sure, which is nothing. Our friend Jarrett's coming over. They're bringing their cute baby. Oh yeah, yesterday we went to a pumpkin patch. We brought the babes, we took pictures. Lando slept the whole time pretty much. And then we got food truck french fries and they were so good. So yeah, it's been a very quintessential fall perfect weekend. I've been wanting to do my nails all weekend a fall color, and I just have not found the time. I swear today is the most perfect fall day ever. I've got some computer work I have to do. Say hi, man. And I've got to get a concept to a brand for what I want to do for a video. And we gotta take care of this little guy, so let's see what we can get done. I haven't done a workout or anything, but I'm hoping to do some yoga or Pilates later. Just tell us what you're making for lunch.
I am making my most recent recipe, which is actually your recipe.
The bacon's just flailing around.
You what?
The bacon.
Vegan just egg omelet. Homemade.
Homemade, yeah. It looks like frittata. Looks so
Does
good.
look like frittata.
A vegan turkey and bacon kind of club sandwich situation. Just went for a walk, and it ended up being so warm out. It was almost 20 degrees by the end of it, so I was sweating. And I had a pregnancy level craving. If anyone's been pregnant before, you know that the cravings are just so specific and so strong. And I had such a craving for cold apple cider. As you know, I think I said that at the start of the video. It's so good. It's different than apple juice. So much better. I feel like a sandwich with a crisp apple cider. Wow, what a fall vibe. We're trying to eat so quick before Hurricane Lando lands and demands milk. I don't know if I said this yet, but tonight we're going to trivia at this cocktail bar called the Middle Spoon, and it's office themed trivia, and I'm so excited. I did this a few years ago with our friends who are maybe bigger Office fans than us. I don't know. I feel we are on par with how many times we've watched it, but maybe Pat's definitely listened to it a lot more times.
There, yeah.
But yeah, I did this a few years ago, and it was so shockingly hard, but we've seen it so many more times since then. I feel now we're just gonna crush it, and we've been studying, so. We're going to Office trivia. We're so excited. Just dropped, yeah, he's got the hat. We just dropped the baby off at my parents' house, and I'm not okay, but it's fine. He's in good hands. Also, I did my nails while he was napping today. And yeah, so we're gonna go to Middle Spoon. They have crazy cool cocktails there. I will not be probably partaking in the cocktails, but Greg will, so I hope we win. I actually don't know if I'll be able to film in there because I feel having your phone out is not allowed, which also scares me because I'm a mom and I have a baby now, so I kind of need to be able to go on my phone, but we'll see. I would never cheat because that makes it not fun. I feel like no one there would cheat because like you're only there if you're a super fan of The Office, you know? I don't even think there's a prize. I have no idea. Yeah.
I just know we're gonna win.
Wish us luck. Okay, so trivia did not go well. We did not win. It was so hard. Some of the questions we just drew such a blank and did not know like the easiest answer. And then some of them were like you had to give a direct exact quote from the part that they were explaining. So it would be like, in this scene in episode whatever, Michael says this and what does Dwight respond? And we just like didn't get the exact quote, or we got something super similar but it like wasn't the exact thing. Anyway, I filmed an empty basement tour so you can see what our basement looks like with everything completely ripped out, and that's going to be in the next vlog because I'm going to document as we get our basement like redone eventually. But right now we literally just have like a washer and dryer and hot water tank, and that's it. We have no floor, no walls, basically nothing down there. So make sure you subscribe so you can follow along the progress of our post-flood basement. And make sure you're following me on Instagram. Just posted pumpkin Pop-Tarts, which are so good. So make sure you're following me there, and I will link to the blog below as well if you're looking for recipes. But that's everything for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!